Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to share a Zen story called Don't Respect Those Who Don't Respect You. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's start. A long time ago, in a quiet village in Japan, there lived a wise Zen master. Everyone in the village looked up to him. One sunny day, a rude young man from the village decided to challenge the Zen master. He didn't believe in the Zen master's teachings. The young man walked into the Zen master's house and yelled, "Why should I respect you when you don't respect me?" The Zen master, calm and kind, asked the young man, "If you give me a gift and I don't take it, who does the gift belong to?" The young man was confused and said, It belongs to me." The Zen master then said, "In the same way, if you disrespect me and I don't accept it, who does the disrespect belong to?" The room went quiet. The young man didn't know what to say. He understood his mistake and promised to respect others. Conclusion. This Zen story teaches us about respect. We shouldn't let others' disrespect bother us. We should always respect ourselves. Remember, respect goes both ways. If someone doesn't respect you, it's their problem, not yours. That's the end of our Zen story today. If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, don't respect those who don't respect you. Stay tuned for more Zen stories. Until then, stay happy and keep smiling. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.